In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a domain and turn off auto-renew if you no longer want to keep a domain active. It's important to know the difference between simply stopping future renewals and fully canceling the domain right away. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect depending on when the domain was purchased. To begin, open your account dashboard and go to Settings, then select Domains. This is the section where all of your registered domains are managed. Once you're there, you'll see a list of the domains connected to your account. Next, click the specific domain name that you want to cancel. This will open that domain's individual settings page where you can review its current status and available options. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct domain before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the domain details page, turn off auto-renew. This step is important if you want to prevent the domain from renewing automatically at the end of its current registration period. Disabling auto-renew means you won't be charged again for the next term, but the domain will usually remain active until the current registration period expires. This is the right option if you simply want the domain to end later without renewing. If the domain was purchased within the last 5 days, you may also see the option to click Cancel Domain for an immediate refund. If that option is available and you're sure you no longer want the domain, go ahead and click it. This will cancel the domain now instead of waiting for the term to expire, and it should also trigger the refund based on the eligibility window. Before you confirm anything, read the on-screen message carefully so you understand whether you're only turning off renewal or fully canceling the domain right away. That distinction matters, because one option affects future billing, while the other removes the domain immediately if you're still within the refund period. And that's it. To cancel a domain, go to Settings and Domains, open the domain you want to manage, turn off auto-renew. And if the domain was purchased within the last 5 days,